All right, we're back. We're back at the part two. I was having some technical difficulties here with the oven, but we are persevering. We are persevering. The sourdough has almost completed its crisping, and the cheese has almost melted to its specific region. But I think we're not done because I want to try. Actually, I gotta switch this back. Okay, I put it on broil. We gotta go back to toast. We gotta go back to toast because there's more to do. So this guy's gotta come out. And we're gonna lay down our amount. Like that, and then layer it in. There you go. This guy is gonna come out soon, but I'm gonna switch back to the broil here. Swap this around. I guess I can't. So yeah, I mean, like I was saying, sometimes in life you gotta just do. You gotta do this. You gotta make a sandwich like this. Yeah, maybe in a metaphorical sense, you know. And also to kick it off, I got the Kirkland Greek yogurt. I got a big tub of Greek yogurt here too, but the Kirkland one is gonna be good enough. For a little desserto, and then yeah, the must. The must is a must for this situation. You need something. There's this hot sauce, but it kind of has a plasticky taste in my opinion. I don't know if it's just been sitting. It is in a jar, but like something about it. So I'm just gonna keep it traditional, you know. Mama knows best. It's a plain old fucking sandwich. Somebody pulls up. Oh shit. Okay. Smells like something's melting, but I don't think so. Okay, here we go. Check it out. The meat is still kind of cold. But you know what? I've said this before and I'll say it again. I'm humble. You think this shit's gonna phase me if the meat's kind of cold? The fuck you think this is? I'm tired of that shit. I'm grateful to be alive. I'm grateful to be alive. People are gonna say all kinds of bullshit about it, but I'll just say this. I'm grateful to be alive and look. There you go. Yeah. I will report back in a second here for part 3.